guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some curry pumpkin with chickpeas and we're going to toast some bami. All right, this video is going to be so easy, guys. Just a quick and healthy meal you can have in less than under 20 minutes. Yes, you're going to need okra because we haven't used okra enough on this channel. So we're going to use some okra in there as well as some veggies. If you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into this one. All right, guys, we want to start by getting our veggies ready. So we're going to use some garlic. I like to use a lot of garlic in my cooking, so hence the amount that I'm using at the moment. If you don't like garlic that much, guys, you can use a small amount, but you know, I love the garlic and ginger, so we're going to cut them up. One onion, and of course our scallion. All of these fresh seasoning do add a difference to our pumpkin stew. Yes, man. Powder seasoning alone not gonna work, guys. I do use powder seasoning, but I would not recommend using only powder seasoning. You want to have fresh herbs and spice, right? Of course, we have our sweet peppers working with. And these Scotch bonnet pepper, guys, I can't play with them because they're very hot. See how them big and juicy? And of course our carrots. My okra. And our pumpkin here.
Bring the funk back.
Alright, guys, at this time I'm going to go in with some oil, my garlic and pepper, my ginger, sorry. Alright, guys, now I'm going to go in with some herbs that I grind earlier. Cumin, coriander, pimento berries, some fennel seed, some mustard seed. Yes, all of those flavors I want in it, guys. See? I grind it earlier. As well as my curry. At this time, just a little touch of water. Alright guys, now that everything looking somewhat good, we are going to go in with our pumpkin. And we want to get the pumpkin halfway cooked before we add the okra. Going in with my salt. And some more water. If you have vegetable stock, you can use it as well. You can make sure you taste it to see if everything on its way, guys. Need a little bit more salt. And I told you earlier we can't play with the Scotch bonnet pepper. My gosh, it's a little bit spicy, but it's okay. These ones that I got at the market, man, gosh, just inhaling it alone, it choke you. Alright, so we're gonna just leave this to just cook out a bit, not overcook, right? And return. Okay guys, now that things are looking like this, we're going to go ahead and add in our okras and carrot. And chickpeas. Told you guys this is very easy to make. And as you can see, everything is coming together pretty good. I'm going to go ahead now and add in some all-purpose seasoning. Yes guys, we're up to something. I love how this tastes. At this time now, we're going to add in some thyme. Alright, so I decided last minute I was going to do a little salad. And this is a basic salad. 2 different cabbage, carrot, and cucumber. Thinly slicing my cucumber. And now guys, I can just toss everything together. And that's it guys, just a simple salad. Okay guys, now we're going to rehydrate the bami so we can toast them up nicely. I love toasted bami guys. Oh my god, it's not too oily, it's just perfect. Now for bami guys, you get bami from cassava. Alright, just I'm gonna allow these to just rehydrate a little bit because you know I got them yesterday, so they are no longer soft. So I have to just rehydrate them. Let's look at this pumpkin stew now. Okay guys, so to just finish off this lovely texture, and guess what guys, it's not too slimy because I know some of us hate okras, but it's not too slimy, I promise you guys. So what I'm going to do now guys is to just add a little bit of coconut milk, not a lot because I don't like a lot of coconut milk in stews, right? So just a little bit. Just a little bit. The consistency is just right. It's not, I promise you guys, it's not too slimy. And to this now, guys, we're going to finish off with some sweet peppers. And kale. This is a hearty, healthy pumpkin curry we have here, pumpkin stew. Beautiful. So we're just going to allow the kale to just quilt down in it and be nice and perfect. Guys, watch niceness right here, so right here side there, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. I told you this wasn't going to be long, you know, guys. Trust me. Not long. Everything still look visible, so you can still identify what is in the pot, right? Yes, that's what we want. Now, guys, everything here is just perfect. Smell good, nice, flavorful. Yes, man. All right, so now we are going to take it off the heat and work on our bammies. Beautiful. The heat from the pot will continue to like quilt, continue to cook the kale. Yes, that's the word, kale. Going in with a little bit of oil here, just a little toopsy. Yes, to grease the pan. In with our bami. So guys, pretty much you want to just toast them until they're nice and kind of toasty looking. Yes, man. And this is it, you know, guys. Everything here has finished. You're gonna have a nice flavorful dinner under 20 minutes, guys. I kid you not, you have to give this recipe a try. This is it, guys. Beautiful. And our raw veg on this side here. Something very quick, easy, affordable. And remember, I tell you guys that the okra is not too slimy, so I know you guys will enjoy this one because I don't love to eat nothing too slimy. No, I don't like it at all. But trust me on this one. This one is a win. Win-win. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.